Hi, this is Dr. Robinson, and I am on College Board sample questions, practice questions, because before you take your PSAT, SAT, practice does help. May not make perfect, but it may. Test taking is a skill, so you want to practice as much as possible online, so much quicker than trying to order Braille materials, which we know can be very, very problematic. So here we are on question 1 of 30 College Board sample questions. All of this is on your College Board to pull up all your links. And I am going through how to take each section. If you know my strategy, I'm going to tell you to go to your answers first, look through all of your answers before you read the questions. In math, thankfully, it's not as long. This is the calculator section. Let me go ahead and show you how I found that option or got to that option. I need to tab in because my screen reader can conflict with my screen capture.
M:/C::MC: open sample questions menu button collapsed.
So I can quickly just tab in. This is a pretty small page. This is a button, so you can find it under your insert F5 also. I'm going to hit space bar.
Select the subject heading level 3.
Okay, we also know these are lists and items. I'm going to down arrow.
List of 4 items.
List of 4 items. As soon as you hear list of 4 items, use I. It's just cleaner. I.
Roboto.
Link math press enter to activate. Use Jaws key plus Alt plus M to move the control.
Enter. List with 4 items. Math press enter to activate. Link use Jaws key plus Alt plus M to move the controlled element.
Now down arrow.
Arial.
Heading level 3. Select the type.
List of 2 items. Nesting level 1.
Once you hear list of 2 items, hit I.
Roboto.
Link reading press enter. Link writing. Link essay.
Wrapping to top.
Link reading press enter to activate. Use Jaws key plus Alt plus M to move the controlled element.
So I'm gonna, and once again, based on, and this is just my screen capture, I should have immediately moved to that, but it's no big deal.
Link writing press enter to activate.
Writing.
Use Jaws
I'm
key
gonna
plus Alt
shift I.
plus link reading link math press enter to activate. Use
Enter. And now I'm going to down arrow to the items.
Arial.
Heading level 3. Select the type.
List of 2 items. Nest Roboto.
Calculator permitted press enter to activate.
Enter.
List with 2 items. Calculator permitted press enter to
Down arrow.
Arial. Roboto slab.
Link introduction.
Yes, read the introduction. I'm just going to go down to number 1.
List of 30 items. Nesting level 2. Roboto slab.
Visited link math calculator permitted sample question.
0 points. 1.
1. Enter.
Enter. Loading page. List with 30 items. Math calculator Roboto.
Okay. Now, we know these are headings to get to your items, but we're going to select an answer first. Insert F6. You can hit H. Okay? Let's just do H first, just so you can see you do have that option.
Roboto slab. Select an answer heading level 3.
Okay? So my cursor had already moved down my page, but typically you're going to hear question 1 of 30. Insert F6 also.
Heading list dialog. Headings list view. Math: 1 S. Select an answer: 3. Enter. Roboto slab. Heading level 3. Select an answer.
Down arrow.
A 299M plus 261J greater or equal than 1.
Once again, have a Braille display. So this is all uncontracted. It just is what it is. But it reads out nice and smoothly to 99M plus PLUS. It gives you the 261J greater than and equal to 1, comma, COMMA, 0000. You can use your calculator, so you can actually do this.
Search box edit. Calculator, comma, enter, calculator, scientific calculator mode, display, M:/C::MC:1 vertical bar SAT suite of assessments.
So you can do 299M plus 261J greater than or equal through 1000. You're going to go through all of your answers.
C299M plus 261J greater than 1, comma, 000 radius. C299 over M plus 261 over J greater. D299 over.
You get it. Okay, so now we need to go ahead and hit H to get back to our question so you can listen to your passage. You've listened to all of this. You've put your fingers on your Braille display. You've gone through them thoroughly. Now hit H.
Roboto slab. View correct answer heading level 3 link collapsed.
That's if you have difficulties.
Wrapping to top. Math heading level 1. Question 1 of 30 heading level 1.
Okay, and then we hit P for paragraph.
Roboto, beginning of content. Roboto, link collapsed. Roboto, the recommended daily calcium intake for a 20-year-old is 1,000 milligrams left parent mg right parent period. 1 cup of milk contains 299 mg of calcium and 1 cup of juice contains 261 mg of calcium period. Which of the following in quote?
Once again, you can listen to it. I highly suggest you listen to it and read it from your Braille display. You are going to do the math on this, and you can use your calculator, which is on your
calculator to move
computer. That's a whole separate lesson. Hopefully by the time you reach this point, you have been given instruction on your calculator. There is instruction on this on our YouTube channel. But right now I'm going to go back.
M:/C:/MC.
Let's say I have done my math, so I'm going to hit A for my radio
A
button.
299M plus 261J greater or
I'm
equal
going
than
to
one
hit
space.
space
Beginning of
bar
content.
and select that. On my Braille display, it will tell me that this is a radio button, RBTN. It will show me a left parent and right parent. It will show me that it is unselected. When I hit spacebar, it shows me it is selected with an X. I pan forward on my Braille display, and it's going to say answer correct, yes. Let's say I do it incorrectly. Let's hit A.
B299M plus 2 space.
Spacebar.
B299M.
If I do it incorrectly, it will give me the problem. It will tell me radial button, and it's going to say correct answer, no. So you could easily go through here. Let's just say you're struggling. But the nice thing is you can just hit Shift A.
A 299M space. A 299M.
Reselect it. Let's just say you're just having a lot of difficulties with this. Let's hit H for heading.
Roboto slab. View correct answer heading space. View correct answer heading level 3 link expanded.
Down arrow.
Roboto choice A is correct period. Multiply the number of cups of milk by the amount of calcium each cup contains and multiply.
Okay, I'm going to hush it up. It will tell you every single thing you will want to know about your answers. I highly suggest actually going down. You're going to hear choice B is not correct answer, and it will tell you why. Then reread your question, reread your answer, and then go forth and conquer on that. Next is a link as is previous. I'm going to go ahead and insert F7.
Links list dialog. Links list view. View correct N. Next sample question 2 of 30.
Next sample question. Enter.
Floating page. M:/C:/MC:2 character 59681.
Hush them up. Once again, insert F6.
Heading list dialog. Headings list view. Match S. Select an answer.
Select
3.
answer.
Enter. Roboto slab. Heading level 3. Select an answer.
Okay, you already know. These are radial buttons.
A 40 randomly selected undergraduate. B40 randomly selected undergraduate. C300 randomly selected undergraduate psychology. D300 randomly selected undergraduate students from all degree programs.
I also suggest, even if you're listening with your screen reader at 400, 450, 500 words per minute, I do suggest slowing down for test taking. Once you've listened to this, once again, H for heading.
Roboto slab. View correct answer heading left. Wrapping to top. Math heading question 2 of 30 heading level 1.
P for paragraph.
Roboto. Link collapse. Roboto. A research assistant randomly selected 75
Okay. You listen to it, you go back, you find the correct answer, select it, and go forth and conquer. You have 30 questions here. So as soon as you find out your correct answer, go to next. Keep practicing. After you finish the 30, you are going to come back and you're going to do it again. Practice, practice, practice makes perfect, and test taking is a skill and strategy. Okay, that is how you do the math section of your College Board sample questions for your PSAT, SAT.